to communication in health. My name is Krista Buckland and I'll be taking you through this lecture. So this lecture is on communication theory. Just to recap the definition of communication, which is found in the Oxford Dictionary, it says a verbal or written message which employs a common system of signs, symbols, or behaviour to exchange information. Communication theory simply refers to the body of knowledge we have on communication. So this includes the definition of communication, models of communication, communication styles, psychology of communication, and motivational communication. It's important to recognise that communication is a multimodal process. So this means that it's not just one mode that is being used when we communicate. For example, when we are communicating verbally, it's both the sound of our voice, our body language, the words we use, even the position of our body in relation to the other person. All of those things contribute to communication and the message that is communicated. Even with written communication, for example, if you look at media, communication through media, it could be the positioning of words or the colour, the font. All of these things contribute to the message. So this is how communication is a multimodal process. There are three main components to communication. This is very important and the foundation of your understanding of communication. There is firstly a sender, then the channel, that's how the communication is transferred, and a receiver. And throughout this process, noise may disrupt the message. So here is a visual that illustrates this point. So we have the sender, which may be us, for example, then the channel, how we are communicating the message, and the receiver, so for example, the client we may be speaking to. Conversely, we may be the receiver and someone else may be the sender. This could also be another health practitioner, or it may be a client. So these three aspects of communication really can impact heavily on the message and how the message is heard and translated. So it is important to recognise that the message we think we're sending is not necessarily the message that is received. And that concludes this lecture. I'll see you at the next one.